Zoom control. All you have to hold the function button and move the gimbal wheel. With the gimbal controller wheel, now we have ability to control smooth zoom in and zoom out. With the 1080p video mode, now we have 4 times zoom options and also 2 times zoom options available with the 4K video mode. For dolly zoom shot, my 2 cents would be disable sideways flight. And for the dolly zoom cinematic effect, use the function and gimbal controller wheel to zoom in and pull the controller stick down to move the aircraft backward.